This video demonstrates how to detect and localize anomalies in objects. Start by dragging the Capture Image plugin into the program editor to open the Capture Image teaching window. Use the Load Image option to load a single image with the Fixed File option, or multiple images with the Cyclic option. Then drag the Anomaly Detection plugin into the program editor. In the Anomaly Detection teach-in window, select the tab Execution Input. Then select a model that was prepared during the training. Now increase or decrease the maximum value and the heatmap threshold to obtain the best results. This may take several iterations to adjust, according to the data provided. Open the log terminal to check in case of any errors in the application process. In the data viewer, select Global String to view whether the object is defective or non-defective. Then click Resume until End to test one image at a time. Change the image memory IM to visualize the outputs in the form of reconstruction IM1, score IM2, heatmap IM3, and mask IM4.